Now my screen visible.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now today we discussed about a switch statement, and in a previous class we discussed about a let repulse statement. So like a let repulse statement, we apply a multiple conditions. Same as in a switch statement, we can apply a multiple cases. And these processing according to your expressions. Expression means given value that given by a user. So firstly we accept this value and check your given value is matched to a cases. If is it valid, then show output, otherwise move on a default. Same as like in a ladder else statement, if all conditions are false, then automatically move on a else block. So now I'm write these definition. Switch statement is used for apply multiple cases according to values. If all cases are unmatched, then process move on default. So firstly I'm explain these syntax. So syntax is like switch, and inside this we apply expressions. Expression just like your value, and we apply here case is depend on a case value. Just like your expression is a character type, then cases is stored inside a single quote. If expression is a string type, then we write cases as a double quote. And if your expression is a numeric type, then we write normally. So now we write here value. If this value is matched according to your expressions, then move on here and then print block of code and then stop process. In our programming, we stop process by the help of a break keyword. So break is a keyword and reserve word and is used for stop the process. So we can apply
Is there any
lot.
shortcut key for the break? Like how you have the keyboard key, like how, for example, in Visual Basic, when you want to stop the code in between, you will press Control Break. So something like that is there for Java? No. When the program is already running, is there
Yeah.
a way other than putting it in the code break? Can you stop it using the
By the
keyboard?
help of Control C, we can interrupt.
Control C, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay.
So we can apply multiple cases here and like this. So case value and block of code. And again we apply here break. If all cases are false, then automatically your processing is move on a default. So and so on. We write cases according to a requirement. If all cases are false, then move on default. And here we
So
write
break
block.
is compulsory in the switch statement.
Yeah,
Break.
yeah. Break is mandatory here. Without using break, your processing continuously processed like a case burn. And we skip break keyword here, so your automatically processing is move on next case.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, so break is
Hmm.
mandatory for particular cases. Okay.
So supposing you miss the breakout in one of the case values, then what will happen? It will continue.
Yeah. I'm explaining here like your expression is matched to a value first
Hmm.
case, but I'm missing here a break keyword. So your processing is the start execute this line and also move and so on until your break
Oh,
keyword is available. Otherwise, move on a default and then.
Oh, it will keep
So we
moving.
move on a
Okay.
practical and we can see. Okay.
No, okay, okay.
Okay. So is it clear?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm right here like a program. So write a program to check the given day. Write a program to check. Not a check. Write a program to print day name according to given number. So we know in a week only on 7 days are available. If user enter here 1 to 7 number, then we can show. Otherwise say this is invalid number according to a day. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm. Correct. Yeah.
Yeah. So we create a program. So we move here and obvious in a previous class I'm also discussed about a scanner class. So is it clear or not?
Mm. Yeah, yeah. Scanner class. Yeah.
Okay. So using a scanner class, so simply we write here import java dot util dot scanner and we write here class name. So class name is a class and we can write any name of a class. So I want to write here check day. Check day is the name of class and now inside this we write here main method. So main method is a public static void main string args and then we can write any variable name and this one is your string concept and we separate here main method. So firstly I want to create a object based on a scanner class. So as new scanner class as system dot in and then we close and now obvious your day is a numeric type. So we write here integer day and say user. So simply use a system dot out dot print and print ln is depend on you. So we write here enter day number. So obvious your day is a variable here and in a previous class we discussed about methods based on a scanner class. So if your variable is a numeric type then use next int method. Is it clear or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So simply I'm writing to switch switch. Inside this we pass a variable here. We apply cases. In a theoretical part we explain here if your expression is a numeric type then we can directly write. So you can see your expression is a numeric type so we can write here directly 1. If your day value is equals to a 1 then this condition is true means this case is true. Then process and then print system dot out dot print ln this is Sunday. Just message and do stop process using a break keyword. Same as we apply here case 2 and now we copy paste this code. So right here if your case is equals to a 2 then this is your Monday and case 3 then Tuesday and so on. So now I want to apply here default and we can see if for your case 1 means your given value is not equals to a 1 2 3 then means right your all cases are false then directly move on a default and then print here invalid day. So when you apply this program then you move on case 1 to 7. Okay.
Correct.
So right here this is invalid day number. Now we save. So simply Java program is saved by the help of a class name. So save this file and always Java file is saved by .java extension. So now finally this file is saved and I want to run this. So firstly I'm open here command prompt and we move on a location. So obvious your folder is on a desktop. So cd desktop and your Java class folder is available here. So firstly we call here Java compiler and Java compiler name is a Java C and your file name. So your file name is a checkday.java. So now we can see, first of all, your program is compile and then convert this
So
file
you
to.
have already set the environment already in this case.
Yeah. In a previous class, I'm set.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay.
That's why it
Otherwise,
was no,
otherwise again and again we said. So that's why I'm
correct,
saying.
correct.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So now, firstly, your program is compiled and now we run. So now, which number I'm enter here?
Number two.
Number two. So you can see the given values at two is stored inside day and inside move here. So this case is valid. First of all, this case is invalid, but in second, this is a valid. So now we can see this is one day and your step is also break. So means that only show here Mondays. So now, is it clear?
Yeah,
Yeah, but you skip here break keyword, then you can see when you enter 2, then this is a Monday and also you can see this is a Tuesday message. Okay, so now again we run
oh,
and I'm remove here break keyword. So now, so again I'm enter here 2. You can see this is the valid, then print here this is Sunday, sorry, this is Monday, and also continue case 3. So now you can see
so it basically doesn't know where to stop. So it will continue the next line, even
exactly,
if it is invalid, because two is not in the case. So it skips that and it will uh, still show the message Tuesday.
yeah, exactly. When I'm
So
enter
it's
here like
required to put the. Mhm.
I'm enter here 8. So 8 is valid or not according to your cases.
No, it is not valid. So it will go to the default case.
Exactly, it's
That is
automatically move on default.
correct. Correct. I get it now. Yes.
Clear?
So break is a part of the switch statement,
Exactly,
and
without using a break we
yeah.
can't stop these process.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So
Yeah. I get it.
any doubt about this more?
No. 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 It's fine.
No.
So I had installed this Notepad plus plus also on my machine. So the same thing I have installed on my machine. So it is a this what, can you just tell me what is exactly the advantage of having Notepad plus plus other than able to find the keywords easily? It can also do many other
No,
things, or
no.
just.
In this programming, in this editor, when I'm save this file like a .java, then according to your Java programming course is available when I'm enter here. This is the advantage. Just like I'm save this file like a C programming. So your all
Mm,
C keywords are available here when I'm enter control plus backspace. Sorry, space bar.
uh-huh.
Yeah,
So
this is
it
the
is
advantage. But
whatever. Mm,
Notepad is not good, and you know very well about a Notepad.
yeah, it is just basically just a text this thing.
Yeah,
But here
exactly.
it gives you a chance to group and a lot of things it can do. Search the keywords also easily.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. So
Okay.
yeah, that's
So,
fine. Yeah.
any query, any doubt about this?
No, no, it's
No.
fine.
So, you
Switch
want to continue
and
or
break.
more practical programs based on Switch? Yeah, I'm give assignment like
Oh,
this, so you can do.
um, yeah. If you can give me one more example, but is there anything more other than this standard thing on Switch? Is there anything extra to know about in Switch?
No expect on a Switch statement. Is it only processing like a Switch case break default?
Supposing you want to create like a value, a case where uh, uh, like from a range from 1 to 4,
Hmm.
if the case is 1 to 4, then you display this message. And if it is something where in the case, can you put like 1 to 4, or how is it uh, if you want to put a condition where if case is 1 to 4, if the number 1 to 4 is typed
I want to
directly.
say one thing. In a switch statement, we can apply only on a values. We can't apply a logical concepts like ladder repels. Like we We apply only on a
Mhm.
cases your given value is equals to a case than valid, otherwise not. So in a companies and almost places which is ignored because of we can't perform a manually concepts. Okay.
So it means you cannot do like more than this. You cannot like put a range 1 to 4 in the
Hmm.
case. Can
By
you
the
put a
help of
range
a
like
loop,
that?
we can apply all those.
Uh-huh.
Using a loop,
Okay.
we can apply 1 to 4 and extra is depend on.
Or so better than a switch statement is better to use the else if statement
Yeah, exactly. Ladder, if else is
because they
the
have more conditions. You can
exactly.
add more
In a
conditions.
switch
Correct.
statement, we can't apply a manual conditions, but in a if else statement, we can apply a more than one conditions.
Correct. Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
So I want to assign 2 questions. Firstly, you try. If any doubt, then I'm explain in a class. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
And I'm share this file on a group. So nothing else requirements for writing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So assignment question says first one, write a program to print. Write a program to check the given character is vowel or consonant. Second, third, write a program to create calculator that's and perform calculation. So simply write a program to create calculator and perform calculations according to given sign. So means right if user enter plus then add your values. If user enter minus then subtract your value. All those. Okay.
Okay.
So now we move on new topic. Can we move on a new topic?
Yeah. Yeah. We'll move on to new one. So I will do this as my assignment. These two.
Yeah.
Uh,
These
so if
only
you share
two
this also on the
instructions.
WhatsApp, yeah,
Yeah,
then
yeah.
I will be able
Straightly
to
I'm sure
do
on
it.
a
Yeah.
yeah, I'm sure on a group. Okay. WhatsApp
So
group.
this calculator, it should be performing even multiplication, or just when you're talking about addition and subtraction.
All those add, subtract, multiply, divide.
Ah, okay. So okay,
Okay.
fine.
So
All
I
right.
mean, say that
Yeah, yeah.
we apply here lots of cases, and yeah, only one of 4 cases are available, like plus, minus, multiply, divide. If given value is
Right.
equals to these cases, then valid, otherwise not. Okay.
Okay, fine. All right. All right. Yeah.
So now today's topic is a operator. So you know what is the meaning of operator?
Operator is it's like more like a concatenator between two what do you call like for example 5 plus 2. So plus is the operator.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
it concatenates or it does some calculation on that.
Yeah. When we work on a numeric task, then is calculate,
Yeah,
and when we work on a string, then compute.
yeah, yeah. That's what.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now we discussed about the operator. So now, according to definition, operator is used for perform operations. Simply, we can say that operator is used for perform operations in a programming. These are of following types. Like first one is your arithmetic, like a plus, minus, multiply, divide. It's called your
Right.
arithmetic
Yeah.
operator. Second, your assignment operator. Assignment means when you want to assign your value for your assignment operator.
That's
Next,
mostly the equal to sign.
yeah, exactly. Next one is your comparison operator, like greater than, less than, for your comparison.
Yeah.
Next one is
So
your
not equal to in the comparison operator. If you say you want to put the not equal to is it's greater and less than sign, isn't it?
yeah, exactly greater than, less than. greater than
Oh,
equal,
correct.
less than equal, equal to, not equal, for your
So
relation.
not so not equal to is a exclamation and equal to sign.
Yeah, yeah, it's
So
called
it
not.
is not greater and less than sign together. Like in Visual Basic,
Hmm.
it is greater and less than sign together. That is not equal to. So not equal to in Java is exclamation and
Yeah,
equal to. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
exactly.
Yes, yes, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now next operator is a conditional statement. Fifth one is your logical state. Sorry, not a statement is called your operator. Fifth one is your logical operator, and sixth one is your bitwise operator. So these six types of operators are available in a Java programming language. So now, firstly, we discussed about a arithmetic operator. Simply, arithmetic means your calculation processing called your arithmetic operator. So, arithmetic operator is used for first of all arithmetic operations like plus, minus, multiply, divide, module. These types of processing called your arithmetic operator. You know what is difference between slash and module?
A slash, that is the front slash is a divide sign,
Like,
and the module is the remainder of a division.
yeah, exactly. Okay. So now we discussed about types of arithmetic operator. Arithmetic uh, operator are of following types. Like first one is your unary operator, and second one is your
It is
binary.
called spelt as unary. Unary.
Unary
I'm not
means
sure the
single
spelling.
operand and operators.
Oh,
Like plus plus a, like minus minus a, like a plus plus or a minus minus. These types of processing called your unary. Okay.
okay, okay.
Hmm. So we move on theoretical concept. So simply unary operator means single variable. But in programming, variable also called operands. Okay,
Hmm.
is it clear?
Yeah.
So according to unary operator means a single variable means a single operands, and like these are also following types. So these are following. First one is your pre operator, and second one is your post operator. So just like formatting is this, like we can see that first one is your arithmetic operator, second one is your assignment, third one is your comparison, fourth one is your conditional, one is your logical, and sixth one is your prefiles. So now arithmetic operators. So arithmetic is are of two types. First one is your unitary and second one is your binary. And according to unitary operator are of also two types. First one is your pre and second one is your post. So this is a stack like this. So now firstly we discussed about what is the mean of pre. So according to this operator, first value increase or decrease and then assign. This is like example int a equals to a 4 and to be like this. So like we can apply plus plus a or b equal minus minus a. So when we run this program, so your output of a b equals to a 5 because only changes for a 1 and output for a b is equals to a 3. Means right. According to this definition, you can see first value increase or decrease. If you apply here plus plus, then your value is increase. And if you apply minus minus, then your value is decrease. So when we assign this value, so first we change this value and then assign. So when we call value variable b, then we can see new value 4 to change of 5. And when we call negative value, then your value is a 4, then automatically your value change into a 3. Is it clear?
So it becomes one less or an
Yeah,
increases
exactly.
one
Only
more.
changes are the one.
Okay.
Okay, so can we
Yes.
move on
Okay.
practical?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So nothing as requirement for retrieve value by a user. So we directly create here example like save this file by a unread example. Just example same we apply here. I know v equals to plus plus a, and I want to show so system dot out dot print ln and we print here v. Now save this file by a unit example. So first we compile this program. Now we run and you can see your output equals to a 5 because we apply here plus plus a and at theoretical part we also discussed about this. Is clear?
Correct. Yeah.
But when we apply here minus minus a, then your output is equals to a 3. Is clear or doubt?
Correct. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Nothing else doubt about this.
No. So there is no the minus and minus a, like for example, and plus plus a is there. Is there any like other symbol like
No,
multiply,
no, no.
multiply, nothing like that?
We can apply only on a plus plus or minus minus.
Okay, fine. Okay. All right. Yeah. So it only can this is only for incrementing one either
Yeah,
increment or decrement one, but
only
is you
changes one
cannot do
at a
more
time.
than that. You
Yeah.
cannot do more than that,
No, no, no.
like
We can't apply
two
here
or
more thing.
three.
But when we apply
Okay.
this concept in a loop, then this process will repeat again, repeat
It'll
again and
keep
again.
repeating. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So So these types of example called your processing. So now I also want to discuss about a post operator. So according to this operator, first value sign and then increase or decrease value. Means that at a first time your value is same, but your given value, I mean say assigned variable value is changed. Like example, I'm right here. A equals to a 3 and B equal nothing. So when you apply here V equal, wait. Yeah, this operator, free operator, right about this mode, plus operand. In a previous, we also discussed about operand means also called variable. Okay, so in a free operator, firstly we assign sign and then your variable. But when we move on post operator, then first your operand and then sign. It's clear.
Yeah.
This is the difference between pre and post. In this processing, firstly operator and then operand, and in this processing, firstly operand and then operator.
Okay.
So now, when we apply here a plus plus, and now when we run output, so b equals to a 3, but a equals to a 4. Because according to definition, you can read here first value assign. So firstly assign these values. These values equals to a. So obvious this value is assigned to a variable b. Is clear?
Yeah. Correct. Yeah. So
And then
first we'll assign the value and yeah,
yeah,
then add
and then
one to
change.
the increment,
Yeah.
increase it.
So
Yeah.
obvious firstly assigned. So the same value is assigned to another variable, and then change value. So your according to given value changes. Is clear?
So if you put there is no plus plus a also you can do plus plus a or no. It's only a plus plus.
Yeah. When you work on a post operator, then apply here a plus plus, and when you work on a pre operator, then apply here plus plus a. So according to requirement, we apply.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So can we move on
Okay.
practical?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So now I want to change this processing and we apply here a plus plus and I want to show here both variables. So now I'm also change this value of value of b. So we can see here same value 4. But when we print value of a, so what's your value print here?
That is plus a. No. Yeah. So
Right?
it should be. Okay. Okay.
Because we apply here
Yeah.
post operator. So firstly value assign. So means right your b value is equals to a 4. But when we call a, your a value is equals to a 5 because first assign and then increase. Clear?
Correct. Correct. Yeah.
So now one we run and we can see here 4 and 5 also. Same.
4 and 5. Okay.
So simply this is the difference between pre and post. So like when you apply here a minus minus, so a minus minus means here value 4 is same, but here your value is equals to a 3 because we apply here minus minus. Here,
Correct. Correct.
so then we can see here 4 and 3.
So you can go to 4 3 2 1 also the same way, right?
Yeah, exactly.
If you
When we
keep
apply minus,
because yeah, because the b gets the value 4 first time, and then the second time b it will again come down minus 1, so it will get the value 3, and then
3,
again if you
when 4
do a
value.
next state it become 2 then 1 like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah. So
Any
does it
doubt?
go into minus one also? For example, if I does
Uh,
it stop
like
at zero?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Suppose
It's
you
depend
put
on the condition.
supposing you put a zero at a is equal to zero, and does it show minus?
Yeah, -1.
Yeah, can you just if you put a
Yeah.
is equal to zero and then see what does it show?
So we can see here b equals to a 0, but a equals to a -1. Okay.
Minus one. Yeah. Error. Oh, correct. It's from minus one. So it decreases. Yeah.
Exactly. Decrease one value.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah. So, or more about doubt about this.
No, it's fine.
Okay. So these types of operators called your pre and post. So now I want to combine both operators in a single. So now this is example based on both pre and post. I mean, say I want to merge pre and post operator. Okay, like int a equals to a 2 and b is nothing. So we apply here b equals plus a plus then plus minus a and then plus a minus then plus a. So now what's your output? Firstly solve your this equation on your copy and then inform what's the output of a b, because in this equation we can merge both pre and post operator, right?
Correct.
Solve this equation and
So you want me to solve this equation?
yeah.
Okay. So the first
Firstly
case
what
it
I'm
will
right here.
be, yeah, first it'll show, um, it'll be one. Sorry, three. Three
Okay,
plus.
plus
This case it will be um, mm, this also be three, right?
okay, now
Then here it will be two. Sorry, one. This
sure.
case it will be one
Okay,
plus one again,
okay.
and the last one will be plus two.
Uh, okay. Now I'm explain. Mm,
Yeah.
this one I'm explain about this. This is your output, and now I want to show and solve these equations. So just wait. I'm right here. Firstly, layer margins. Like this is your output, and according to your variables. So I'm also manage these. This is your output now. I'm explaining here. Firstly, first output is true 3 because given values are 2, right?
Yeah.
Plus second output is also true 3 because this is called your post operator. But you
Post
know
operator.
when assign, firstly assign. So assign value is a 3, but after assign this value is called your 4. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yeah. And in this processing you can see pre decrement. So pre-decrement means if your value is equals to a 4, then decrement processing show this value equals to a 3. Is it clear?
Okay.
Please write your value is 4 and this is called your pre-decrement. Pre-decrement means if value 4, then show 3.
Mm.
Is clear or not?
Yeah, but the thing is, you have taken the value two, right?
Not 2 because this is 3 and also in place of this 3, and your actual value given is equals to a 2. So in
Yeah,
place of 3, and nothing else changes because firstly assigned, so this value is only on a 3. But after
correct.
assign this value, your value is move on 4. Okay, it's clear?
Uh, it moves to 4.
Yeah.
How it becomes 4, I didn't understand that part
Okay, okay,
because
okay.
it was
I'm
2.
I'm explain again. Like
Yeah,
in this place, your value is 3, right?
correct.
This is processing called your post operator. So what I mean of post? First value assign, right?
Mm.
Is it clear? First value
Okay.
assign. So what's your actual value? So your actual value is a 3. So obvious, first value this assign, and after assign this value, increase your value. So after assign, what's your value?
4. So the
Exactly.
second stage it is 4.
Exactly.
Okay.
After assigning, this value is equals to a 4. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So basically, it's like instead of doing the loop, you can do it here itself, right? Plus, you can prepay and what do you call uh, using pre and post this thing, you'll be able to connect them together. That's what.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Now I get it. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So it's a continuous thing. So first it'll start to 3 and then it'll increase to 4 and then decrease to 3.
Exactly. Then 3. And then in this place, you can see post processing. So firstly, value assign. So what's your actual value? 3. But after
Yeah.
this assigned value, your value is decreased. So now your new value is equals to a 2, right?
So the last part is correct. It remains 2 only because there is.
Exactly. Your last part is 2 equals to a 2. Okay.
Mhm. Okay, okay.
So now what's your
Yeah,
total?
fine.
3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12, then
Correct, correct. Yeah.
14. So now
14.
uh, I'll apply this equation on my program. So we apply here.
Yeah, that's it.
And I want to print only on a value of b. So now here we can see here output equals to a 40. Is it clear? 3396, 39, 312, and then 2 equals to a 14. So this one is it clear or not?
Yeah, it's fine.
So any doubt about this? I think
Yeah.
no.
So it's basically this operators can be combined also. Basically, I mean,
Yeah,
the pre and post this thing.
we can merge both
Okay,
operators.
merge operators. Yeah, correct, correct.
Okay.
So this will be when it will be used, like for
You
some
know,
calculation purpose, or
uh, okay, no, no, no. These types of concepts we apply on a loop. When we apply a loop concept, then we can apply.
oh, okay, okay, in the
But
loop cases.
at a time, we only practice.
Oh, correct. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So we move on. New
Hmm.
operator.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay.
So next operator is called your assignment operator. So simply assignment operator means assign your value, but assignment operator in a programming is performed like arithmetic with assignment concept. Okay.
Hmm.
So uh, assignment operator is used for perform arithmetic with assignment concept. Example like a equals to a plus 4. Like in assignment operator, operator, we perform like a plus equals to a 4. So both are the same, but in assignment we can see assign with arithmetic operator concept. Is it clear?
Okay. Yeah.
These types of processing called your assignments. So uh, using a
A plus equals 4. Yeah. Okay.
yeah, assignment is performed like arithmetic with assignment. So firstly we apply here arithmetic operator and then we apply here assignment. So means that your given value is add to a variable a.
Okay.
So now we apply this concept as a particular, like I want to show a equals to a plus 5. So what's your value for a? You can see your value for a equals to a 2. So means that a
2 plus
equals
5, 7.
2 plus 5 equals to a 7. So now we can see, firstly I'm commenting this line because we can see here error. So now we can see 7 output. Clear?
Correct. Yeah.
But when we apply this concept as a assignment operator, so we can see also same like a plus equals to a 5. Now we again see 7 output. Is clear?
It's 7 also. So
So
it
simply we can
means the
say
same
that
thing.
all arithmetic operators are performed with the help of with assignment operator, plus, minus, multiply, divide, all those.
Correct. Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
So now we move on. New operator. So your new operator is a comparison operator. Comparison operator means when we want to compare one value to another value. So we can say that comparison operator is also called your relational operator because we can't compare different types of variable, but we can compare same types of variable. Clear?
Yeah.
Like integer to integer, string to string, float to float. So means that both types are same. So we can see that comparison operator is also called relational operator. So these are this operator is used for compare value. So these are of following types. First one is your greater than, second one is your less than, third one is your greater than or equal. Means that at a time your value is greater or equal. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
So now I want to apply these all operators in our program. So now In our previous classes, we also discussed about a conditional if else statement. So I want to apply this. Password
Yeah.
equals to a C password. Then your condition is true. Then print yes, both are same. So in this program, first one say this program.
No, there's a small syntax error in
So
your
here,
system dot out dot println in the last one. Both passwords are different. Yeah,
here.
yeah, it's fine.
So in this program, we only scan two values and compare by the help of a equal to. If both passwords are same, then this condition is true and then print. Yes, both passwords are same, otherwise move on else. So now, one, two, three, four, and same 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can see yes, both passwords are same, but one, two, three, four, and 7612. Then we can see both passwords are different. Clear? So is it clear or not?
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
So these types of processing we perform by the help of a comparison greater than, less than, greater than, equal, less than, equal, not equal, all those. Clear?
Correct. Yeah. Okay.
So any doubt about
Not
it?
equals. No,
Not
that's fine.
equals means we can say that uh, like any example, if given id is not equals to this, then like wait, I'm explain here example. Like create here OTP examples. So set here default value OTP and we scan enter OTP. One time password we enter here. So we scan value for OTP and nothing else requirement for another. And I'm set here. If your OTP is not equals to a 1234, then wrong OTP.
Hmm.
Otherwise, verification successfully. Is it clear? So this line is called your not
Correct.
equal.
Yeah.
So we take this
Hmm.
program. So 1234. Now verification success. And when we enter here another, then we can see wrong OTP.
Wrong OTP.
So
Correct.
this is called your not equal sign. Okay.
Yeah. Not equal. Correct.
So any query
Yeah. I got
related
it.
to this?
Yeah. Other than this util scanner, there are other type of objects available on the bin in this folder. No.
Lots of
Scanner. So they are all used for different purposes.
yeah,
But why
exactly.
is it we are using only scanner purpose? Is there any
Scanner is
reason?
only used for scan value. Like a date is available here for performing date type of task. So different
Mm-hmm.
packages are available inside a Java, and in a particular sub package, lots of classes are available. So according to requirements, we apply. And we can
So
replace in a place of scanner as a asterisk sign. So asterisk sign is denote means universal, means that inside all classes, I mean say inside a util package, all classes are called by star.
the asterisk sign. So
Yeah.
I can use asterisk sign instead of using scanner.
Exactly. By the help of a asterisk
Uh,
sign, we can
so
use
is
multiple
the
types of classes that are available inside a util package.
so if I use asterisk sign, that means I have to modify the thing asterisk s is equal to new asterisk something like that. No.
No, 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 no. All those codes are the same. Asterisk means all classes, all properties for util package are called.
Okay,
I mean,
okay.
say nothing as requirement for specify particular classes for this package.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, now I'm
So
run this
yeah,
program. Just wait. First, which name? Oh,
um, maybe change the
OTP. Okay.
OTP check Java. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah, yeah. We run this program. So now same output, same processing here. So asterisk means we call all classes for this package. Okay.
Okay.
So now same processing here. It's
Correct,
clear.
correct. Okay, fine. Yeah, yeah, I got it now.
So these types of processing are available here. This topic is called your comparison. So now next operator is called your conditional operator. So you want to continue and you want to continue next day.
No, we can continue because still have some time, no?
Okay. But Desmond, we continue this class now to 3:30. Okay.
3:30. Okay, fine.
Okay. Because my another class is at 3:30. So
Okay, fine. Okay.
now we discuss about a conditional statement. Like a conditional statement in conditional operator, like something similar. Like a conditional statement is used for apply conditions using a if else, and like a conditional operator is used for perform a operations task. Okay.
Okay.
So we can say that conditional operator is also called a ternary operator. In a programming, your conditional operator called your a ternary operator. This is called another name for a conditional operator. Conditional operator is also called ternary operator. So according to this operator, we apply conditions. Like if user specify without using a if else statement, you perform a task, then we can use this operator. Okay.
Okay.
So syntax is like this, like firstly your condition, question mark, expression first, colon, expression second. So this is the syntax here. Here, condition is true, then print expression first, otherwise expression second. Means right, I'm apply here example like a int a equals to a 3 and like a b equals to a 20. And now we apply here condition. So condition is called a is greater than b. It's called your condition. Then we print expression a is greater. Otherwise, so we apply here colon b is greater. So your syntax is like compatible for this example.
Hmm.
Condition is called a is greater than b. Expression first is called a is greater. Expression second is called b is greater. So now condition is true. Then print expression first. So now your condition is true or false?
Now is no false.
False. Now we can see here output equals to a b is greater. But when we replace this value like this, so now
It's true. Yeah. So it will be a is greater.
yeah. So now we move on practical and java dot util dot asterisk and class conditional operator public static void main string args as equals to a new scalar system dot in and we create here two variable a and we want to read this value by user. So say user system dot out dot println enter value of a. Value of a is just like a message. So what you want to write is depend on you and as dot next in same as enter value of a b and the scale value of a b variable and now we apply this concept on a statement. So system dot out dot println and we apply here condition and means the result is a message here plus condition. So condition is a is greater than b. If condition is true, then print a is greater. Otherwise, b is greater. We can also store this value inside a string variable. So firstly, I want to run this program, then we store.
In this notepad plus plus, how do you copy the conditional, that word conditional operator by highlighting it? Do you have press control C? No.
Yeah, control C using.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, we need to put in double brackets.
Yeah, because show error here. String can't be like this. Okay. So using a separator is comfortable. So now because
Oh,
previous errors too here because this is called your string and a is called your numeric task. That's why show error. That's why I'm separate by the help of a separator. Okay. So now we can see we enter here 4 and 8. So in place of a 4 and in place of a b is 8. So now your condition is true or false.
B is greater, sure.
B is greater because your condition is false. Then automatically move on expression segments.
Yeah, yeah,
Here.
yeah.
But now I'm change this value like 67 and 3 and we can see
A is greater.
yeah,
Yeah. So you can use these operator conditional operators in the by using this type of syntax.
yeah,
Okay. Right.
clear.
Yeah.
Any doubt about this?
No, no, it's fine.
Okay. Now I want to store this value inside a string variable. So firstly, I'm copy this and on a bottom, on a top, I'm create here like a message variable is a string type, and inside a message variable, I'm store this statement and print here MSG. Is it clear or doubt?
So
Same
this is the
concepts because this types of concepts return expression as a string type. So we create a string variable and I'm stored because this condition is true, then return only on expressions, not all more contents, right?
mhm.
That's why I'm stored
Okay.
inside a string type of variable. So I'm going to store here this variable. Clear or not?
Yeah, yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. So again we
So
run and we can see same output here. Nothing else error because we only change our processing. Is clear?
so this is it required to do be always put it in the message
No.
MSJ this thing, or you can do it the other previous way you did it?
We can do anything. We can perform any type of task according to a requirement. And we
Mm-hmm.
can write
So
any
MSJ you're using here for only
stored
checking the
value as a
value,
string.
the
Yeah.
stored value, correct? So that's why you're using MSJ.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is a conditional operator. So you want to ask or more questions about this?
Uh, yeah, I think it's okay. It's not much of. Yeah. That's. I think it's fine. It's fine.
Okay. So can we give
So it's the
assignment
same.
questions based on this?
MS. No. No. It's fine.
What do you mean fine? I can assign.
No. 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 I didn't get you. What is the question again?
I want to ask one thing. Can I
Hmm.
assign assignment questions based on this topic or not?
Uh. Assignment question. Yeah. Already you have given me two. No. Okay. I'll no problem. I'll try and do this one also. You give me an
Okay, okay, no
assignment for
issue.
this one
This
only.
one, in our next lessons, we discussed about assignment questions. So, no issue. Firstly, try all these examples. If any queries, then we discussed about. Okay?
Yeah. So I will do those two assignments you have given me
Yeah,
for tomorrow. Right. Tomorrow we're having class. Right.
yeah, exactly. At a
Tomorrow
2
same
p.m.
time. Same
Yeah,
time.
to
No.
10 to 10, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So then I'll see you tomorrow then.
Yeah,
Okay. Fine. Then I will just try out all these examples,
yeah,
and then I
exactly.
will.
Also share
Yeah.
all these programs on a group.
Yeah.
And
If you
also,
send me this.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
On
yeah,
the WhatsApp. Yeah.
yeah. And
Yeah.
also this file, because all those contents are inside this file.
Correct. Yeah, because I think that two assignments also are there in this, so you
Yeah,
can send me this. Yeah, you'll send me now.
yeah, after 5 minutes.
Okay, fine. All right. Thank you.
Okay. So now
Okay,
next we will
thank you.
continue class at a 2:10, right?
Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Bye
All right.
bye.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Bye.